Hello and welcome everyone. In this day 44 learning of dynamic programming technique, we are going to be understanding how a dynamic programming is going to be used, right? So we have looked at many recursive implementations, right? Dynamic programming is slightly more optimized for recursive type problems. So let's say if a problem has many subproblems, we consider it as a recursive, but a subtree of problems might also be repeated, or a repeating kind of subproblems is seen. Then repeating subproblems are seen. DP memorizes and provides optimal solution. Provides optimized solution. You should think about DP like, does it solve a recursive solution, and is the subproblems repeated? Then yes, dynamic programming is the way to go about it. Let's consider a very simple example of Fibonacci problem. So here let's say we want to calculate f of 5, right? So 5 will be 4 3, add 4 3, 4 3 will again be 3 and 2, 2 and 1. So this again goes to 1 and 0, 1 and 0. So if you see, this part is repeated here also, right? So 2 and 1, so again this will be repeated. So one thing that DP solves here is, let's say we have base case for Fibonacci like f of 0 is equals to f of 1, which is equals to 1. So in such cases we can store these recursive results like previously occurred Fibonacci numbers like 0 1, and if we are calculating f of 2, we add these two to get 2 and so on. We can store them in some sort of a way, like uh, some sort of an array or something like that. Like for example, function fib of n, let's say if base case n is less than or equal to 1, return n, else consider a DP array which is equals to 0 and 1 for 0 and 1, and then the other values are going to be added. And for loop I is equals to 2 to n and I plus plus, then we can simply say um, dp of I is equals to dp of I minus 1 plus I plus 2, I minus 2. So the previous two values that we have here. So that would extend the value of DP array to the next set of values, and that would help us calculate the previous values easily. So that way we are utilizing, if let's say we calculate DP of 5, then we should have some calculations of DP of 4, DP of 3, and such things, right? Hope you get the idea. So that's about dynamic programming. It has some sort of an array or memorization value like DP array here. In this case, helps us store the previous computation, right? Let me switch to JSPN and let's understand, or let's see what implementation and the examples that I've written. Okay, so in JSPN, as you see, I have few definitions here and also the same Fibonacci class, which helps us calculate in a naive way like a recursion, and a memorized approach where a memo of an object is stored, and we are having to set this value here as well, right? So bottom up is also another approach where we are starting out from the bottom value and then going up, right? So that's another thing. all of these are leading to the result. So hope you can go through this code snippet. I will attach it in the video description with a GitHub link. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do post any comments or doubts in the comment section. Let's keep the comments rolling. So yeah, I think we have covered most of the data structures and algorithms topics. Any videos that I do would be kind of an advanced one. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please do check out my other playlists as well. Thank you.